Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I am going to show you how to use new quiz sticker on your Instagram story. So in few days back the Instagram team has released its own new update, and the update is called as quiz sticker. So how to add this quiz sticker in your story, and this stick almost works for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone also. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram application in your Android mobile or iOS device, and then complete your login or sign up processes. So now in this home page section, you can press your profile icon and it is placed at the almost top of left side corner. And then my mobile camera is automatically turned on. But friends, one thing remember it, if you like to capture the live image, just use this camera feature. Otherwise you can use your mobile gallery to upload your Instagram story. But here I try to capture the one live image. So once your image is captured, in top it shows some icons, but you can select that face icon and the third one. So now it shows some stickers, and the stickers are used for your Instagram story. So here you can use any sticker, but this video is about quiz sticker. So I try to select quiz sticker and it is placed at first column and the fourth one. So here you can type your question and followed by type your answers, but you can add only 4 answers, and this restriction is from Instagram team. So once your question is ready, finally you can press done option to complete the process, and then it shows preview of my quiz sticker. So now you can click to share this quiz sticker to your story section by simply press send to option, and it is located at the bottom, and then press share icon. Finally the overall process is completed, but I try to check it if this feature is works or not. So you can press done option. So now in this home page section, one more time you can press your profile icon and it is placed at the almost top of left side corner. So finally here you can see my quiz sticker is successfully posted on my Instagram timeline. So this is the way you can easily add your quiz sticker in your Instagram story. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech Arts, and thanks for watching.